Good day, please introduce me yourself.
Hi sir, my name is Kimberly Molina. I am 27 years old, single. I have one daughter, she is 10 years old. I have one brother and one sister. I am the third child of the family. I live in Bulacan proper, among Isabela. I am a college level. I studied Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Science.
Okay, do you have experience abroad?
I work here in the Philippines, sir, for 2 years to a couple with one child. I do the household like cleaning, cooking, going to the market, and my main work is to take care of the child.
Okay, in your previous employer, how would you take care of the children, especially when sick?
First thing, sir, I make sure the child is comfortable. I took his temperature and immediately tell to my employer.
How would you describe yourself?
I am hardworking, honest, and responsible, sir.
Do you have any tattoo?
Yes, sir, I have one on my chest.
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
Yes, sir, C-section, sir.
Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
No, sir.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No, sir.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to give my family, especially my daughter, a better future, sir.
If you get hired, who will take care of your children?
My mother will take care of my child, sir.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will focus my work and make myself busier, sir.
What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I usually sleep around 10 p.m., sir, when my work is done, and woke up around 5 a.m., sir.
Are you the one who does the cooking and the market at home?
Yes, sir.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I will make my patience longer, sir, and patiently supervise the kids because their nature is really hyper, sir.
Do you accept no of this but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes, sir, I'm very willing, sir.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes, sir.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
Yes, sir.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, sir.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes, sir.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, sir.
Can you cook Chinese food?
No, sir, but I'm very willing to learn, sir.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes, sir.
Sing it.
Itsy bitsy spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Down came the sun and dried up all the rain. So itsy bitsy spider went up the spout again.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
Hi, sir. I hope you will took me as your housemaid. I promise to do my very best, and I will serve you with all my utmost, sir. Thank you.